Here I have MOTOROLA Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, find the line build number, which is basically like at the bottom, and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options in the system section, and here they are. So here you can find all of these incredibly interesting and useful developer options. You can get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.